Hi everyone, I'm Noriko Oyema,
I'm Katrina Roby.
and welcome to our segment on clothes that make you feel good. So one of the things we like to do and look for in clothing that we procure for the company is items of clothing that make women look and feel fantastic.
One of my favorite items that I own from Lux Finds is the leather patch leggings. They're made really well, and I find they always keep their shape. And I really enjoy wearing them with a little bootie and a flowing top. I like to wear mine too with a top like this one that has a bit of ruching in it, so it helps to hide the tummy area.
Katrina is actually wearing our comfy gray shirt. It's a beautiful top. It's actually really soft. So a lot of our clients love this top. And what I love about it is all of the ruching in the front. It's very slimming. It kind of, accentuates the ladies as well. gives them a really nice look, while it also camouflages the stomach area.
So we're going to show you a few items, some of our Lux Finds favorites that we wear all the time that help to accentuate the areas we want to accentuate and hide the areas we want to hide.
I mean, I'll hold all my weight in my ankles if I could.
Oh no, not me. I have that problem already.
Bring on the weight to my ankles. Give me the cankles instead of my muffin top. Okay, Katz is wearing a top that we both own. It's the black long sleeve turtleneck. It has a slight semi-sheer to it. So Katrina's actually wearing a purple bra today. But if you put on a really pretty black bralette or a pretty bra, it'll slightly come through the fabric. I love this because of the stretch as well. I love it because it hides my stomach, an area that I like to conceal, but it's also fitting and cut in a way that it's quite slimming. So it slims in around the waist and then it has a little bit of a flare. The material also has a slight gold sheen to it as well in the fabric, which I love. It dresses up this top really nicely. And she's also pairing this top with our most popular leggings. They're the leather ribbed accent leggings. The material is quite thick. It tucks everything in. We sell this, Katrina and I are both mediums, but we sell these to women from extra small to extra large. They look fantastic on all body shapes and sizes.
The great thing about this top is it's very lightweight. So you can also use it to layer throughout different seasons. So in the fall, for example, you can wear this underneath maybe a dressier type summer tank top, so that you can extend certain pieces throughout the fall and change up outfits that way.
Okay, so this is the faux leather jacket. I mentioned before, it actually sold out really quickly, but this is a fantastic outfit. So I would say both Katrina and I probably like to hide the stomach area, but she looks super slimming, super sexy in this outfit. And the reason why is the placement of the ruffles at the bottom helped kind of flare out and draw the attention to the ruffles versus sort of what's underneath.
Honestly, I love the comfort. I have to say that's probably my number one. No matter what I buy, I'm always looking to be comfortable. I would say a very close second is just the uniqueness of the pieces. So everyone has leggings in their closet. Everyone likes to wear leggings. These are super unique with the leather patch, which I really love. And then I love the uniqueness of the jacket as well. This is one of the items that I purchased from Lux Finds, thinking that I wouldn't look very good in it, and then as soon as I put it on, realized how much I loved it and had to have it. It's a perfect layering piece on top of some more slim-fitting tops. And if you're just looking to grab something out of your closet for a night that might be a little bit cool, this is just the perfect jacket jacket to add a little bit of warmth and a little bit of extra style.
I think what I love about those leggings too is that these are a bit higher, which I personally like because I can just tuck it up over my little Brie baby. And
Wine and Brie
baby, and you feel better. I am also wearing the sheer top blouse, which I also really like. This is much more sheer than the top that Katrina's wearing. Let me just show you. It's a little bit dressier. So I'm just wearing a lace tank top, but it's kind of cropped. It's like a bralette. I was running around running errands today. You can throw a little hat over top of it if you want to.
A hat over top of it?
I didn't show you.
I don't get it. I'm not saying it can't happen, but I just haven't seen it. I haven't seen the hat over top. Oh, a hat on your head.
Katrina didn't believe me. She was in doubt. But look at this.
Aw.
Look at how cute that looks. That's a great look to go out.
You look good in hats.
I don't look good in hats actually, but I do love hats.
I love the sheerness of this top. You can see the different sheerness of our two tops. Noriko's is much sheerer than mine. I find this one personally is a perfect amount of sheer. So I have no problem just wearing a bra underneath because you can really only see the silhouette. And I find when I'm looking for things that have certain element of a sheerness to it, it's really hard to find the right level of sheerness. So I was really happy when I found this top.
And I like a lot of turtlenecks too are really tight around the neck, which I can't wear. I feel like I'm being choked out.
I mean, you know, it happens.
It has a lot of stretch, so it's not. Oh, look at how cute you look! Mm-hmm. By the way, just a quick shout out to our fashion truck girls, who we love as well. Have a lot of boho sort of amazing clothing.
Love it.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in to this segment on camouflaging areas that you don't like and looking fabulous.
We'll see you next time.